Ain't no rewind if you back.
My poor pistachio nuts are freezing. What's up, guys? 14 here, loud and clear, bring you another Moto vlog from London, Ontario. The weather's shitty and it's -3. A couple days ago there was snow on the ground. What's going on, Mother Nature? What's going on? If anybody has a contact number for Mother Nature, just put it down below. Comment down below. Give me that damn number. It's pretty cold right now. I'm gonna do a quick little moto vlog because I haven't done nothing in a couple of days, and I want my subscribers to go up. I appreciate that. And look what I got. This is something from Pyro MT. He sent me this with a couple of other things. Cowabunga dude, $14. It's pretty dope. I have a video that I'm going to show after I post this one up. I'll put his link on his channel right here. Pretty cool, man. I like that. I'm going to send you something, but I don't know what. It's going to take me a couple days to think about it. I'll make a video of what he gave me, what I'm going to put it, when I'm going to put it on. Dope shit. It's I feel like that Dumber Dumber moment when the guy pisses in the back on him and it feels warm. I need that right now. Oh shit! Bang! Let's go adventuring. Oh shit! Oh adventure! Oh, I couldn't touch the ground. Oh my god, I almost fucking flipped it. Imagine you could just jump off this shit. I don't want to wreck my bike, guys. I got it at the spring show in a couple days. That looks dirty, eh? I'm gonna take a nice picture right now. Post it up. The bike's dirty. I'm gonna detail the shit out of this bike. Oh, dirty. Who likes it? Give me a thumbs up. Who likes it? Yeah, boy. I love this baby, man. Oh my god. You know, when you jump on a bike and you just go for a ride, you just put all your stress behind you, your life, everything. Well, you care about your life, right? But I think this is a great stress reliever. Just you and the bike and the road, man. Alright, I'm done here. Maybe I'll come back here. Whoa! Forked out. Yeah, buddy! I'm gonna call the ministry. I'm calling the ministry, guys. That's unsafe. That guy was dangerous. I wonder what religion is this? If anybody knows, say something in the comments. I have no clue. What religion is this? It's not Buddha. I don't know. Looks like monks, and I bet you those statues are expansion. 1, 2, 3, let's go. You want to speed, eh, speed racer? Please don't snow. Please don't snow. This snows. I am fucked. Riding a Ducati right now. It's the fucking V-twin. The head's right underneath your seat. Oh, keep those collions warm, you know, those peanuts nice and warm, you know. Get your peanuts. Salty peanuts. What's happening here? What's happening here, guys? Nothing. It's too cold. Construction. I've seen deeper holes. Yo, what's up?
What's up? Not much.
What's up, buddy?
You riding?
Yeah.
You
get fucked up, right?
I need to make a fucking vlog, man. Fuck. Oh my god, my nipples are so cold they're starting to talk to me. Yeah, see? Told you. Oh yeah, they're getting warm. Woo, the warmest part in your body is right where the chota is. If you didn't know that, now you know. The chota. Oh, that feels so good. I'm not even gonna fucking stop. Oh, I'm up these fucking nuts. You looking at my nuts, boy? Patrick to a SpongeBob. Cold-wise, it would be like Squidward. Oh, Michael Jackson. Oh, look at that. Subscribe, $14. He likes it. Yeah, buddy. Check me out, buddy. Hopefully he subscribes. Do what he does. Yeah. So I gotta get it out there, man. I gotta get my name out. I gotta advertise myself. This YouTube game is hard as hell, man. One day. Hopefully. If not, I'll still do it. I don't give a fuck. That concludes my video. Oh my god, my hands are cold. Oh my god, I'm not even gonna put my bike away. Oh, that looks sexy. Love you too. Okay. How to get your hands warm in 20 seconds. Come here, cat. Oh, there he is. Oh, watch it. Oh, right underneath his tummy. Oh, you're the best. Do you like that? Oh, where's the other cat? He's probably warmer. You are. Oh. Please give me warmth. Oh, he doesn't like it. Oh. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.